demonstration of bandsaw for student use. It's called a bandsaw because the saw runs in a big band like this, round and round, and comes through here. Mainly used for cutting softwood, but you can also cut ply and MDF. You have two separate guides. This is called the fence, and it's moved by the handle. So that's straight lines that way. And you have this fence for doing right angles. So, you do not want to put your fingers anywhere near the blade. It will chop the end of your fingers off, or at least go through to the bone. Probably distance about the size of the bed. If you do need to get close to the wood, use a push stick or another piece of wood, or turn the machine off and let the blade stop. Switch it on, give it a little flick, which we'll give you a close-up of later, and you press the green button. Normally we put the extractor on, but that will be too loud for us to tell you. You can adjust the height of the blade by turning this knob here, and then the one at the back, and then locking it off again. So we'll switch the blade on. Always put safety rubbers on, and walk the wood through. You have to get too close. Switch the blade off, let it come to a stop, then remove a piece of wood from out of there. Don't be tempted to try and push your wood out of the way of the blade while it's still running, you chop your fingers off.